Hey there, folks! Today, I'm going to show you how to stabilize your video footage in Wondershare Filmora. It's a great way to smooth out shaky or unstable video clips. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Filmora. First things first, import your video file into Wondershare Filmora. You can do this by going to File and then Import to bring your video onto the timeline. Step 2. Stabilize the video. Next, right-click on your video file on the timeline. This will open up some options. Go to the Stabilization tab. Now, simply switch it on and then click Start Analysis. The analysis process will take some time, depending on the length and complexity of your video. Once the video analysis is done, you can control the smoothness level. Increasing the level will crop your video slightly. Adjust it to your preference. When you're satisfied with the settings, click OK. Your video file is now stabilized and ready to go. And there you have it. That's how you can easily stabilize your video in Wondershare Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.